We're going to explain how to install a Windows service from an .exe file using the command prompt. This method is useful for automating service installations, especially in scripting or deployment scenarios. Remember to replace placeholders like path to your X and service name with your actual file path and desired service name. Also, ensure you have administrator privileges for this process to work correctly. 1. Locate the .exe file. First, find the location of your executable file .exe that contains the Windows Service Installer. Note the full path. You'll need this for the command. Let's say it's located at c/myserviceinstaller myservice.exe. 2. Open an elevated command prompt. Right-click the Start button and select Command Prompt Admin to open a command prompt window with administrator privileges. This is crucial because installing a service requires elevated permissions. 3. Navigate to the directory. Use the cd command to navigate to the directory containing your .exe file. For our example, you would type cd c/myserviceinstaller and press Enter. If your .exe is in a different location, adjust the path accordingly. Verify your current directory with the dir command to confirm you're in the correct place. Chapter 4. Use the instalutil.exe command. This is the key command. The instalutil.exe utility is a built-in Windows tool for installing and uninstalling Windows services. The command has the basic syntax: instalutil exe path to your X. In our example, the complete command would be instalutil exe myservice exe. Press Enter to execute the command. 5. Monitor the output. The command prompt will display the installation progress. Pay close attention to any error messages. Successful installation usually indicates that the service has been installed successfully. If you encounter errors, carefully review the error message for clues about the problem. Common issues might include permissions problems, missing dependencies, or problems within the service's installer code itself. 6. Verify the installation. Optional but recommended. After the installation completes, open the Services application. Search for Services in the Windows search bar. Locate your service by name, e.g., service name. If it's listed, the installation was successful. You can right-click the service and select Properties to check its status and configuration. If the service is not started automatically, you might need to start it manually through the Services application. 7. Uninstalling the service if needed. To remove the service, use a similar command, but this time use the U switch, instalutil exe u path to your X. For example, instalutil.exe umyservice.exe. Again, run this command from an elevated command prompt. Remember to stop the service before uninstalling it. This process allows you to install and uninstall Windows services directly from the command line, offering a powerful and efficient method for managing these crucial system components. Remember to always back up your system before making significant changes, and carefully review any error messages encountered during the installation or uninstallation process.